Okay guys, what's up? It's QuarlWithCode, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at spinners. Spinners in an Android app can be referred to as a drop-down list. When you tap it, you get a small list of selections and then you pick one. Or they can be referred to as the list that pops up and fades out the back end of your screen, and then you have to scroll through the list and select the item. So let's go on and start our project. We can name this application Tutorial 6. And we're targeting phone and tablet and API 15. We want a blank activity, and if you would like, you can title your activity Tutorial 6. Alright, now that Android Studio has loaded, I'm going to go and change my device to a Nexus 7. And we can get rid of this Hello World text view, and then drag and drop a spinner to the center of the screen. We can leave the spinner's ID as spinner. And now we want to open our strings.xml file. So inside of here, we're going to make something called a string array. In order to do that, you're going to type string-array and then give it a name. For the name, we can just call this spinner array. And then I'm going to go on and create the closing tag. And now in between the closing and opening tags, we want to fill our string array with items. So for the first item, we can do green. For the second item, we can do red. And for the final item, we can do my favorite color, purple. Alright, so now we're going to want to actually dive into the main activity.java code. We can delete these two methods. And we can create our spinner member variable. So spinner spinner. Alright, so first we want to actually get our spinner. So we can do spinner equals spinner. Find view by ID r.id.spinner. And next we want to create an array adapter for our spinner. So array adapter, and then the value is going to be a char sequence. A char sequence is basically a string. And then we want to name our variable adapter. And then we want to do array adapter dot create from resource. Our context is going to be this. And then we want to do r.array.spinnerArray. Lastly, we want to do android.r.layout.simpleSpinnerItem. Alright, and the line underneath, we want to do adapter.set drop-down view resource. And then we can do android.r.layout.simpleSpinner drop-down item. So in the array adapter line, again, we're creating an array adapter that is valued as a char sequence. And then we're creating the array adapter from resource. So that's where the r.array.spinArray comes from. It's getting the string array that we made in the strings.xml file. The context is this, the main activity, and then we're simply defining the layout for a simple spinner item. And then here, we're just defining the layout for a drop-down item. Alright. And lastly, we can do spinner dot set mspinner dot set adapter and then adapter. Alright. So now if we actually run the application, I already have Genymotion open so I can simply click run. We're going to see that when the application is ran, there will be a spinner in the center of the screen, and then when we click on the spinner, a drop-down list will appear with the different values that we set in our string array defined in strings.xml. Alright, and then if we click right here, we can see green, red, and purple. And if I choose purple, its value is set as purple. One more quick tip, we go back to the main activity.xml and we scroll down in the properties. We can see right here the spinner mode. If we do dialog and run the application, let's see what happens. We can see that a dialog window actually appears with the different values, and then from here we're able to select which value we want. Alright guys, thank you for watching this quick tutorial on how to implement spinners inside of an Android application. If you have any questions, you can comment in the comments section under the video, or you can email me at QuarlWithCode@gmail.com. Again, thank you for watching, and please subscribe.